Give every user their own deposit address, and within a month, you are watching hundreds of them, not one.
You derive them. You track which are used. You watch every one and reconcile one balance out of hundreds per chain.
Instead, sync one extended public key. It goes in the path, the body is empty, poll the status until done.
Ask for the next unused receiving address, derived and monitored. Ask for the wallet. One balance, every transaction, every address.
When you spend, Prepare selects the inputs and builds the transaction, then hands you hashes to sign. No signatures in that response. Crypto APIs can derive your addresses, read your balances, build your transactions. It can never sign one. Your private key never leaves you. HD Wallet Management. One key, every address, and you keep the only key that can spend.